Hey, hello friends, welcome to the Learning Club. So in this video, I'm talking about Kotlin strings. So what are the strings? A string contains a collection of characters surrounded by the double quotes. So here I just create a variable x and x equal, I just type belong and surrounded by the double quote. And this is a string. So if I print x, so this is a string. Okay, we learned it is a string and you can specify this variable as a string. So just type string and remember this is always is in capital. So this is a string. And now friends come to the indexing. So here are total 6 letters BLEARN. So index of B is 0, index of L is 1, index of E is 2. So how can I print L? So the index of L is 1. The indexing always start from 0. So index of L is 1. So just type the variable at first and just give a third bracket and just type the index. So index of L is 1. So now just run it. So you can see here L has been printed. Okay. So I just print A. So what is the index of A? The index of A is 0, 1, 2, 3. The index of A is 3. So now just run it. So you can see this. Okay. So A has been printed and the index of N is 5. So just type 5 and now run this. Okay. So these are indexing. So now I want to print belong in capital letters. So how can I do? So here I use x dot and here is a function to uppercase U P P E R C A S E. This function will convert this string into capital letters. So now you can see this Blearn has been printed, but Blearn is in capital. So here I just put BLEARN. So now I just want to print Blearn is in lowercase. So how can I do this? So just here use a function to lowercase. Lowercase is a function in a Kotlin, so I use it. So now just print that. So you can see Blearn has been printed and it is in small letter. So in this way you can use two uppercase and two lowercase functions. So now friends, how can you locate any string? So I want to print the index of A. So here I just remove that and use a function index of. This is a function index of and here I just want to print the index of A. So now just run it. So index of A is 3. So I just want to print index of R. So index of R is 4. So here I just type another L and another A, another L. Okay, so now I just print index of L. What it will return? So the index of L is 1. Always it will return the index from the beginning. So index of L from the beginning is 1. Okay. So if you run again, it will return also 1. Okay. So this will return only the index from the beginning. So index of L from the beginning is 1. Okay, friends. So now in this double quote you can use single quote. This will also a string. So here I use another single quote before L. So now I just check the index of L. So index of L is now 2 because this is another string. So inside double quote you can use single quote also. And now friends come to the concatenation. So how can you add two strings? This is one string and now ARY. This is another string. So I just specify it to a string and now just type space club CL cubely. And now just type x plus y. So in this way I can concatenate two string. So what it will return, be learning class. Sorry, I just rename it to be learning. Be learning, and just run it. So you can see it. Be learning club has been printed. So here is another way to concatenate. So how can you concatenate? So just use x, and here I use a function. What is the function? The function name is plus. So I want to concatenate x with y. That means x plus y. You can see here the plus functions will add x plus to another variable. So remember, both variable are string. So just x plus and just put y. So x, the syntax is x dot plus y. Okay, so now just run it. So B learning club has been printed. So here I use concatenation by using plus function. Okay, so if I change it to y and here change it to x, what it will return? That means y plus x. Okay, so club B learning. Okay, so now friends, instead of concatenation, here is another method to add. So I just print here a string. So this is, now I want to print be learning club. So here I use this variable. So if I using this variable, I have to use here dollar sign and now type x. So this is the variable, and now also use dollar sign and y. So dollar x means this variable, and this value of this variable is be learning club, and dollar y, that means this variable, and this value of this variable is club. So if I run this, so this is be learning club. Okay, so before every variable you have to put dollar. Okay, so inside any string you can use variable, but remember, when you are using any variable inside string, so you have to use a dollar sign. So I will show you another example. So I just create a variable name, and name is clay. Just change it to clay, and here I just create another variable. This is age. So I just put here age 22, and now I just print my name is, and I use the variable name. So I have to type dollar sign and the variable name, and now just type, and my age is, I have to type dollar sign and the variable age. So in this way you can use the variable inside a string. So if I run this, my name is Clay and the age is 22, you can see. Okay, so that's it for the tutorial. See you in next video.